These are my bucket of balls. What are these?
The bucket of bullets.
Alright, 9mm. Wheelie Rider here again, and welcome to the unboxing video of the bucket of bullets 9mm version. Oh, very good. Oh, so good. Oh, it's half full. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, hold on. What flavor is this one? We need to keep those. So you gotta salt your bullets. Your balls. But my first thought is, hey, this bucket's only half full, but I guess 350 is 350, and it came with a flavor packet. Don't drop those. Oh. Maybe these aren't so bad.
Then get wrecked.
What are those?
Bullets.
And then don't forget to
Subscribe. For the vibes.
So, while my camera's not focusing too well here, I'll tell you, these are 9mm brass bullets, 115 grain, made by Remington, and they're not for this 22. They don't fit, though. You got tricks. So whether you're optimistic or pessimistic,
Peppermistic.
Anyways, either way, these are only half full, Mr. Remington. But yeah, we'll give these a try, and then we're gonna have peppered steak, or peppermistic.
It's optimistic. Glass half full empty scenario.
And these are what I usually like to shoot with for 9mm. Yes, because of price and availability, but also they're on point, always work. And these are 124 grain opposed to the Remington 115 grain. So we'll see how that does. With these ones I read and maybe experienced that they shoot off a little bit of powder. And the way I look at it, if you're going to go shooting all day, you better find enjoyment on field stripping a firearm and cleaning it, because you're just bound to do it anyway. So I'll wrap up this video with some specs on these blazers that I use and the Remington bucket of bullets. So all the specs are pretty much the same. This is the only difference was in the drop rate. And I don't even think that's a brand thing. That's just simply the different grain of bullet. So the Blazer and the Remington bullets produce 335 foot-pounds of energy from the muzzle. The Remingtons have a 6-pound less foot-pound rate of energy at 50 yards. And a 8 foot-pound rate less than the Blazer at 100 yards. So this just being an unboxing video, I will test these out soon. Feel free to keep in touch in the comments. This bucket ran me about $119.99 currently. And yeah, should be a fun little buy. And in the future I'll be using these, and I'll try to keep in touch with you guys about how they do. Maybe I'll find out if these run a little cleaner than the Blazers. So I think that's all for this video. Like usual, feel free to like you guys do. And you guys are good about that. Comment and subscribe. And I'll do what I can to produce more videos. Again,